Hey Mom, why do we, look the way that we do? It's simple, Timmy. It's all in the DNA and how it's sequenced. Wowee, I sure do wonder how that works.
Hi, that's what I'm here to tell you about, the wonderful world of DNA sequencing.
Before we get into DNA sequencing, we need to look at some of the basics, such as the structure of DNA. DNA is in a double helix structure, and we know this thanks to the work of 3 people. The first is Rosalind Franklin. She discovered that DNA is actually in a helical shape, and thus led the 2 men who discovered that DNA is in a double helix form to find that information out based on her research. However, it went unnoticed in the field for many years. The 2 men credited with discovering that DNA is in a double helix structure is James Watson and Francis Crick. However, it was Rosalind Franklin's research that they used as a foundation for their own. She had been unable to complete her own research due to passing away from ovarian cancer. Now onto the actual DNA sequencing. There are 4 bases you need to know: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. In truth, there is no shape or color that is defined to any of these. However, it's easier to conceptualize them with a shape and a color to differentiate between all of them. For this video, I'll maintain using these 4 shapes and colors to denote each of them, as they are shown here. You may notice that the shapes seem to line up. Adenine and thymine go together. Thymine and guanine do not. Guanine and cytosine go together, but guanine and thymine do not go together. Cytosine and adenine do not go together. So, adenine and thymine, remember, they always go together. Guanine and cytosine always go together, and that will make everything so much easier. Here, if you look, we have one side and another side is split in the middle with jagged shapes. They look like puzzle pieces. Then all you have to do is line up adenine and thymine, guanine and cytosine. And if you're only given one side, take whichever one's their correct counterpart, such as adenine, you add thymine, thymine, you add adenine, guanine, you add cytosine, and cytosine, you add guanine. And so, to answer the original question, DNA makes up someone's genetic code, and these 4 bases make up DNA. By shifting or adding or changing this code, you get a different person or a different outcome. And that's why people are different. And that is DNA sequencing.